Most people trying to improve their squat make the same mistake. They focus on getting deeper before they've mastered the range that they already have. This leads to knee pain, balance problems, frustration, injury, and stalled progress. Ironically, if your goal is a deeper squat, the fastest way to get there may be spending more time in a shallow squat. Now, before the deep squat lovers start typing angry comments, let me be really clear. I love deep squats. I've made tons of videos teaching people how to achieve a deep squat because I think the deep squat is one of the most fundamental human positions. It's not an advanced fitness skill, it's a basic human position. But trying to force depth before you've built strength and control is putting the cart before the horse. Here's what I mean. Let's say you can only squat down this far. Most people look at that and think, I need more flexibility. Maybe, but you definitely need more control. Because if you can't confidently control a shallow squat, going deeper usually just exposes more weakness. The squat gets shakier, balance gets worse, and you probably hurt yourself. So instead of asking, how do I get lower? Ask yourself, how can I get stronger here? That is where progress starts. And I want to be really clear here. Stretching can be useful for stiff people who want to get deeper into their deep squat. But everybody needs to focus on building strength and control through the full range of motion. And here's something most people don't think about. You spend most of your modern life in the top half of a squat. Standing up from a chair, sitting down, walking upstairs, stepping off curbs, catching yourself when you lose balance. Most of life happens here, not in a deep squat. So it makes sense to become really good at these shallower positions first, especially as you get older. Because when people lose strength and control in these everyday ranges, everyday life becomes a lot harder. Now here's the really important part. Getting stronger in a shallow squat opens the door to a deeper squat. Not because you stretched harder or because you forced your body lower, but because strength creates options. As your legs get stronger and your control and balance improve, your body becomes more comfortable exploring additional ranges of motion. So instead of chasing depth, earn depth. Master a quarter squat, then a half squat, then a deeper squat. Keep building strength and control gradually. That's how you create a squat that's not only deeper, but actually comfortable and useful. So yes, I love deep squats, but don't make depth your first goal. Make strength and control your first goal. Master the range you already have, and you will discover new range opens up. That's usually the safer, smarter, and faster path to a deep squat. And one day you'll find yourself enjoying a cup of tea in a deep squat. So let me know, are you feeling comfortable with the idea of being more shallow? Drop me a comment down below. And if you'd like help building strength and mobility from the ground up, go to uprighthealth.com/BRB and get my free Body Rebuilding Basics program. Subscribe to this channel if you want to build resilience for real life. And this video right here will help you build lower body strength safely.